Hi everyone, I'm Levikah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've clicked on this video, then chances are you know English, but when it's time to speaking, you don't know what to say first. And people think English is very difficult. But wait, you're not bad at English, you're just confused how to start. And that's completely normal. Almost everyone feels that at some point. So today I'll show you how to start a conversation in English in a simple way that anyone can use. The biggest mistake people make while starting a conversation is thinking that they need a perfect sentence to begin. They keep thinking, correcting, and planning in their head. You don't. You just need one simple opening. That's it. Most people don't struggle with English vocabulary. They don't struggle with grammar either. They struggle with starting a conversation. The truth is, once you say the first line, the conversation becomes easier. Your mind relaxes, the other person responds, and suddenly you're not stuck anymore. So let's begin. Step 1. You can start with just one word, like hi, hello, hey. Then you can add just one line, like hi, how are you? Hello, nice to meet you. Hey, what's going on? That's already a conversation. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after you start speaking. English is not just tested in exams, it is used in real life, in class, at work, in interviews, and in daily situations. Step 2. If you don't know what to say first, look around. You don't need to search for topics. Say what you see. For example, is this your first time here? This place is really crowded today. That class was interesting, right? The weather is nice today. This works because it feels real. You're talking about the moment you are in. Imagine you are sitting in a new class. You don't know anyone. You can just say, hi, is this your first class? That's it. One sentence can start a conversation. Step 3. When in doubt, ask a question. Questions make the other person speak. You can try these. What do you do? Where are you from? What are you studying? What do you like doing in your free time? This sounds natural. You hear these questions every day. One question is enough to keep the conversation going. You don't need many lines. Step 4. Conversation is not about talking fast. It's not about showing your English. It's about responding properly. If someone says, I am a student, you can say, oh nice, what are you studying? So now let's practice. I'll say a sentence, then your sentences will be displayed on the screen. You can say a different sentence if you want. Treat this like a real conversation with someone. So let's begin. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well. By the way, what's your name? I'm Levikah. Nice to meet you. What do you do? That's nice. What are you studying? If you want a full conversation practice video, comment practice. And remember, you don't need hours to practice English. Just 5 minutes a day is enough. Every day, try to ask simple questions, greet one person, or respond. That's it. That's how confidence is built. So start speaking today and you'll see the difference. If this video helped you even a little, then you can watch my other videos on the knowledge guarantee. So this is Levikah and I'll see you in the next video.